XD was created with speed in mind. A part of the designing at the speed of thought, including the ability to reuse elements and apply global changes quickly. Let's focus on a couple of the productivity features that XD includes along these lines. If you're following along with me, you'll want to have step 4, reuse colors and character styles in the practice file visible on the design canvas. You also want to make sure that you are in design mode. And here in the lower left-hand corner of the application, I want to toggle from the layers panel to the panel just above it in the libraries panel. In this panel, you will notice I have the ability to define colors, character styles, and components. When defining colors and character styles, I can easily just extract or pull the values from any objects that I have here on the design canvas. You'll notice that I have 4 artboards here. I'm going to go ahead and click on the title of the first artboard. With that artboard selected, back in the panel. In the colors area, I'm going to click on the plus sign. What this does is extract any colors that occur on the artboard and brings them into the panel. I would like to do the same for character styles. So to the right of the character styles, I'll click on that plus sign. Notice that it brings over these character styles. If I hover over any one of them, a tooltip shows me that it captured not only the typeface, but its point size, its weight, any line spacing, or character sizing I might have defined as well. Well, that's pretty slick. But what's even more slick is a way that I can come in and change global attributes once I've extracted them. Let's say as I was designing, I couldn't decide which shade of orange I really wanted, and I played around with a few shades. And then finally settle in one on one. When I extract colors, if I find that I want to replace one color with another on the design canvas, all I need to do is update the hex value to the color that I want to replace it with. Notice that I have 2 shades of orange here. Let's say I really like this darker shade, and I want to apply it to all instances on the canvas. What I can do is come to this first color that I like, and in the right menu, select copy. It's just going to copy the hex value for that color to the clipboard. Now I come to the color I want to replace. Once again, I will bring up the right menu, But this time I'm going to select Edit and then paste that value that I copied to the clipboard. The hex value that I like better into dialog. And then click off onto the design canvas. You'll notice that now I have one of those two instances of orange. What you can really tell is throughout all the artboards on the canvas, they've merged and are using the same shade. The same behavior works for character styles and text as it does for colors. As your design become more and more complex, with multiple objects and artboards, this can be a real productivity trick. Let's go ahead now and move on the next step.